I lived in my self-made camper for 3 years searching for a more sustainable lifestyle. Join us as we continue this pursuit of living. I'm Ryan Brown and I'm getting out of town. This is Pop-Up Life.
Your headspace when you're in the mountains is a full meditation. You get to the point where you're like, realize where you're going, and then you forget about that, and you're just wandering, and you're staying on that same trail, and your brain just seems in tune. When I'm walking on a trail, my brain starts to flow.
Yep, you could live up here in a camper. You know? Just good food and you got the water.
It's probably some of the best water you could drink on the planet. But I've never, they say Fiji is, but I think it's probably best. I've met Chad Otterstorm multiple times, but it was really fun actually getting to hang and shoot the shit. Getting to hang with somewhat of a current snowboard legend is a bit surreal. He's so chill and down to earth, just another brother of the Shred Tribe.
I was a pro snowboarder for 20 years or so out here in Colorado. Doing the competitive thing, traveling, making snowboard movies, just living the fantasy life, you could call it. All that snowboarding stuff ended, and I was kind of lost, didn't really know what to do with my life. Didn't really find myself until I started coming out here and living in the mountains again, and that really kind of changed my life. I'd started hiking mountains and taking photos and camping at the tops of mountains and going from fantasy land of the snowboard life to the fantasy land out here. This is like the real life for me. My goal and what I'm living for in life is there's tons of trailheads all around Colorado, and instead of getting up at your home and having to drive an hour and get set up there, you can set up at night at a trailhead and wake up and be on the trail in 5 minutes as opposed to an hour and a half. And that's kind of what I call living.
I haven't seen a cairn that big in a while. Yeah, we're here. We're at the ridge line. We're gonna get up to the scree field, as you can see. And the pyramid's right there, so we just gotta go through the scree.
That's the thing is it's just like when people ask you that same question when you're snowboarding, like, what is it about? You're like, it's so hard to always put it in words, It's just the feeling. There's the feeling that it gives you that makes you want to come back. It's an addiction of living in the earth and real, like carpets are nice and couches are nice and showers are nice and bathrooms are nice, but it's nice to be out here for a few days, kind of for a reset. It's basically what it is. It's just why people go on vacation. This is my vacation, and I slowly want to be on a permanent vacation.
After Chad left, we got to hang with a good friend, Laura Hadar. I've known her about 4 years now and absolutely love her.
Nature is a huge aspect of my wellness, my mental health, my community. It means so much to me. I think being connected with nature is just innate in some people, and in others it is yet to be explored.
It was really neat learning some more about foraging in our valley.
So you want to make sure that there's enough berries left over for the bears, for the birds.
For the seeds to fall down.
Yeah, for the seed, for it to be able to reseed.
I feel in foraging it's a very personal encounter, and being able to show somebody, to teach somebody hands-on, and somebody that is your friend that you really want to, it's passing knowledge down. It's just the same as when my grandma took me when I was little to go and forage.
We picked rose hips and made some juice from them, which is an amazing natural and local source of vitamin C.
Oh, yeah, that's good. tastes like coffee from my coffees.
After foraging, we met Nikki and Wills for some fly fishing.
Nikki's my partner. We've been together almost 5 years, 4.5 years. He is a big hunter and fisher. It's kind of a good classic combo of the hunter fisherman and then the gatherer. We always joke about it.
It was really rewarding catching my first brown trout on a fly rod with Nikki by my side, coaching me through the landing. It's such a different feeling than the fishing I grew up doing in Missouri lakes and ponds. What an adventure this trip has been. I'm grateful to have been able to see and experience all that we have and meet some new rad humans. The pop-up life is such a fun way to travel and experience new places. We shall see what the next adventure brings.